shop update. Let you know what we're working on right now. I got this 78, just put an exhaust on, working on a buff on it. I got a video here pretty soon. We'll show kind of where we picked that bus up at. This bus here belongs to our friend Caden. Caden brought it in, needed a rear window. Called all over town, couldn't find one, and finally gave us a call, and I happen to have one on a parts bus in the back. So we just got done, we put on the West Coast metric one-piece rubber, the cowlick I think it's commonly called. I was gonna do a how-to video on this, but honestly I have just too much going on today, and so I just wasn't able to put together a how-to video. But man, this is a clean little high roof, very little rust. It's got a few little dents and dings, little adds character, you know, but very cool little high roof bay window. And Caden's been working on it and getting it ready to go. He's got it polished out pretty nice. Love the colors on this. But just trying to get it ready for the show this weekend in Iona, the air-cooled invasion at Iona Days. And so I told him if he ran it over, we'd throw a back window in it for him. So there it is. We got that done today. In here at the 67, just the daily driver. The 57 sitting here, it just got a polish by a little shop here in town that we've been doing a little bit of work with. They took it over and buffed it out. I wasn't gonna have time to get to it this week, and so I just subbed it out to them. They did a great job on it, and yeah, it's looking better than it has in a long time. I've got the 63 over here. I've started some welding on that, patching that big hole in the back, but I don't have enough done on it really to do much of an update right now. I do have the Freeway Flyer transmission back, 1835 with a single carb, back from the builder. It's ready to go. And over here we've got just a mess of parts, big old pile of parts. Actually, if you look close there, give you a little hint of what there too. Been working on this car for a couple months now. This will just be kind of a teaser video. Hopefully we'll put together something a little bit more in-depth, kind of show you where we picked this car up and what all was wrong with it when we got it. Let's walk in here in the paint booth and take a quick look. There it is. I actually sent a link to this car. This car was going through a salvage auction that we buy a lot of vehicles out of. It had been wrecked, it was spun off the road, tore up the front bumper, tore up the rear bumper, and a bunch of the suspension. So I sent a link to the auction to my buddy Travis. He kind of messes around with Go Fast cars, and I said, hey, you probably should own this. And when I did, it was more of a joke. Take a look under here. Those are not native to this particular car. Those have been added. Swing over here. Right there, Hefner Performance. This thing's got some twin turbos on it, and it's pretty quick. Pretty fun car. Like I say, this is just kind of a teaser video, let you guys know kind of what we got going on right now, and hopefully here in a week or two I'll get this car back over here. We'll do a test drive with it, kind of a walk around, show it off a little bit. It is wicked fast and a lot of fun. Trying to get it, it's got to be out of here tonight. This last week and a half or so, been pulling some serious late nighters on this car. And in fact, a couple nights ago I was at the shop till 5:30 in the morning. Came out of Canada, so everything's in kilometers. It's got 15,777 kilometers on it, and just beautiful car. It's in really good shape. Lots of ads, lots of mods, but that's what we're working on right now. Like I said, pulling some late nighters. Been here since at least the last week and a half. Been here at the shop till, I don't know, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Some one or two nights almost all night. One night literally all night. But it's coming together. It's got to be to Sun Valley tomorrow for a car show there. and I guess there's like some standing mile races. I don't think Travis is actually going to run it in the race. He's just taking it to show at the show. But anyways, guys, that's what we've got going on right now. Like I say, try to have a little better video of this car real soon. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.